Hi guys, I'm excited to bring you yet another video of Saturday timelines. So we are going to do a yes, no, maybe pendulum reading followed by an intuitively channeled timeline on the question. Now today we have a fixed question, and that question is, do you know everything you need to know? So you can think of a situation that you have in mind, and with regards to that situation we are going to check, or just with regards to your life in general, we are going to check if you already know everything you need to know to make a decision, and if you don't know, by when will you get to know. All right, cool. If you know everything, then I'm not going to remove a timeline, but if I get an intuitive message, I will tell. Cool. So sorry, I'm so excited. We have, how many piles should I keep? 4. We have 4 piles today. We have pile number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4 groups. Choose one, basically, if you didn't realize it, to do that. Whatever you're drawn to, okay? So I'm going to begin with group number 1. Hi group number 1, welcome to your reading. We are going to quickly look at, does group number 1 know everything they need to know, just in general or about the situation that they have in mind? Maybe you do, but like, I feel like whatever information is pending or that you don't have, that you need to get, this is not the time for you to get it. So for now you have everything you need, but maybe not for this entire situation, to make a decision there or like to move ahead, but you know all you need to know for now. So that's that. So let's see, by when will you get to know everything? So you will get to know everything in 3 to 4 days, weeks, or months, depending on your situation and the pace. But it's not going to be yours, like it's going to be 3 to 4 days, weeks, or months. It could also be March to April for some of you guys as months, and the dates 3rd and 4th could also be significant. And if this is something where you're going to ask people for something and you can get an answer or whatever, then or something like that, basically, then the 3rd or the 4th person you ask for help might be able to help you. Okay, that was like an added message for someone out there. All right, pendulum, let's rest. That was it, group number 1. I really hope you liked this reading. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when another video is up. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comment section below, and if this resonated in your situation, I would love to know. And if you're looking for a personal reading, then my email ID, Instagram, Facebook handles are in the description box below. Hit me up. I would love to hear from you and set something up and get to know you more in person. So I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos, and maybe in a private session or just in the comment section, interact more. I really want to get to know you guys. Okay guys, please reach out, please comment, please like, please do something. Let me know you're there, let me know you're watching. Okay, so until next time then, bye bye. Hi group number 2, welcome to your reading. Let's see if you know everything about the situation that you're thinking about, or just in general, if group number 2 knows everything they need to know. Does group number 2 know everything they need to know? Ask another time. Okay, let me rephrase this. Does group number 2 know everything they need to know right now? Can we tell group number 2 if they know everything they need to know? So basically this was like an unexpected one, group number 2, but this is not the time for you to know if you know everything, because I think this is a call you have to make based on your own wisdom and knowing of the situation. And yes, pendulum says yes to that. So maybe you can come back and ask this question again. Maybe this is not the time to ask a question. Maybe think of another situation and ask it. But what I'm getting for you is ask another time. So if you're waiting for some information, if you've already asked someone for some data or some question or something and you're waiting for a revert, then once that comes in, will they have all the information they need? Yes. So if you're waiting for some piece of information and you've questioned someone for something and you're waiting for the reply, then once that reply comes, you will have all the information you need. But right now, you have to wait till then, or like ask another time, or like it's not the time to know everything right now. Oh, it's not the time to know everything right now. You know what you need to know till you know more. This was a very, very, very interesting read. Okay, so by when will they know everything they need to know? I'm getting like by October, November, December are the months I'm getting. I'm also getting a specific question, like you have been told this 99 times almost. So like there's someone out there who has been told this a lot of times and you are still asking by when you will have all the information you need and you know it. So if you're that person, you already know it, and I am not going to give you a new timeline. But for those of you who don't know, 9, 19, 99 are numbers that are coming across strongly. Maybe you're seeing these numbers because it's almost the end of the cycle or the situation, and you're very close to completion and getting to know everything you need to know. And October, November, December, the last quarter of the year, seems to be the time by when you will know everything you need to know. I really hope this helped you in some way. This brought you some clarity. You just, made some difference in your life. And let me know what you think about it, how this fits into your situation. Please do like, share, subscribe and support the channel. It's really, really helpful. And I really love all of you and each one of you for watching and doing that. Please do let me know if you're looking for a personal reading. I would love to do that for you. My Instagram, Facebook and email ID are in the description box below. So you can hit me up there and we can take it from there. And until next time then, I guess I will see you in another video. Ta-ta. Hi group number 3, welcome to your reading. We're going to just dive right in and see. Does group number 3 know everything they need to know? Yes, you're the group who knows everything you need to know, but like it's sort of settling in, like you have all the information, but the information is like sinking in and you're like making your peace with it, sort of. Yeah. Okay, so let me just ask by when you would have made peace with all the information you have. I feel like I could do that for you in the next. Okay, you have to focus on stability is coming across strongly, and the number 4 is coming across strongly. So like try to think of this in a way from a very like balanced and stable perspective, whatever this is, and while seeing the information, and that'll help you like ground it and make peace with it. By when will you get to know? I mean, not get to know. By when will you accept all the information and all of that will register? 4 days to 4 weeks. Okay, 4 days to 4 weeks. Within 4 weeks, it will happen for most of you. And that is when you will be able to move to the next, or you will be able to like personally be ready to move to the next step or the next stage of whatever the situation is or whatever journey you're in. Cool. I really hope this helped you in some way, provided some clarity or some direction or some peace in your situation or some sort, I don't know, whatever, some certainty, or just helped you in some little way. I try my best to do whatever I can. Please support the channel if this made some difference in your life. Do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you're looking for a private reading, I would love to read for you. You could write to me on Instagram, Facebook, or my email ID, all of which are in the description box below. Comment and let me know how this fits in your situation, and if you have any other recommendations for upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next video then. Bye-bye. Group number 4, our last and final group for the day. Welcome to your reading. Let's see what your answer is. Yes. I'm sorry. I just felt this like, cracker or firecracker tingling sort of weird sensation on my head, which is so weird. So maybe some of you all are getting like crown chakra downloads, for those of you who understand what that means. But yeah, okay. Does group number 4 know everything they need to know? No. You guys don't know everything you need to know, which is why those downloads, like, you are going to get, or your intuition is going to give you information. You are going to get downloads from the universe. You might be seeing synchronicities and messages, or you might get like coded messages in your dreams. You might see totem animals, or just like you might see a particular animal at an unexpected place, at an unexpected time, or at a surprisingly higher frequency of seeing the animal. Like, you see it a lot, basically, at places you don't expect to see it. Look up the meaning. So suppose you're seeing a lot of butterflies, look up like, suppose you're seeing a lot of green butterflies, look up green butterflies spiritual meaning on Google, and your message will come. If you're seeing a lot of numbers like 222, 212, something like that, then look up like 212 angel number, 222 angel number, and do that. If you know what area this message is about or what the situation is, suppose it's like a love situation, you write 222 angel number love meaning. So you'll get that. If it's a twin flame connection, you write 222 angel number twin flame, and you get a meaning for that. So if you're getting like coded messages in your dreams, and look up dream interpretation and see what the messages are, you are going to be getting messages from the universe on the situation. You will get all the messages you need in the next 9 months or 9 weeks, or in the month of September, or by the month of September is the timeline that I'm getting. The number 9 is coming strongly, and is that it? I guess it is. Cool. So let me know how this resonated and fit in your situation, and how it makes sense for you in the comment section below. If you have any recommendations, let me know that as well. Please do support the channel like you are by watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you know when the upcoming videos are coming up, or like whenever they go live, and you can watch them as well. Share it with family and friends. If you're looking for a private reading, my Instagram, Facebook, and email ID are in the description box below. You can write to me there, and I would love to read for you. Until next time then, bye bye.